But Jamie, एक ऐसा बैटर जिसने, and we talked about him also in the morning live, he has been so impressive in this series, and that is Nitish Kumar Reddy. Already 200 runs in this Border Gavaskar Trophy, batting at number 8, lower down the order. He has been so impressive. As of now, as we speak, he is playing at the score of 40 of 61 balls with 3 fours, 1 sixes. What is it that make Nitish Kumar Reddy so successful with the bat in hand? ऐसा क्या है जो और बैटर्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जो ये यंगस्टर डेब्यू किया जिसने इस सीरीज में, वो कर रहा है?
Looks like talent, looks like no baggage. I mean, he has been the main positive of this series because come on, let's face it, how many of us thought he'd be playing all 5 test matches? Nil. Nobody could have backed him. Yes, there were talks before Perth कि हाँ वो हार्दिक पांड्या का रोल निभा सकता है जहाँ पे सेम, but the guy's played 4 test matches and he's not going to drop for Sydney. मेरे YouTube चैनल में बहुत लोग कह रहे थे कि इसको ड्रॉप करो. I said how can he be dropped? He's really the only positive. I'm Bumrah has been great, but you expect that from Bumrah. KL Rahul may have put doubts in all of our minds before a ball was bowled, but you know what he's done. We didn't know what this guy could do. I can say with my hand on heart, I've never seen him play a red ball match on TV or any streaming. I've only seen him in one IPL season. Uske basis पर doubt रहेगा ये बंदा क्या कर रहा है. But clearly, the confidence gained from playing under Pat Cummins, playing with Travis. I mean, you spent 2.5 months with Pat Cummins and Travis Head, boss. You're going to learn more than 4 seasons playing Ranji because these guys, they're world champions. They will say things. You might struggle with the accent of certain guys, but what you're taking from these guys. So he came here very confident. He came here through the right channel. He ticked all the boxes to get here. And he has talent. I mean, you know the backstory. His father changed jobs and all that stuff to make him work. He's just another successful story of this great country that produces players. He's got defense. That check drive he played off Nathan Lyon, which beat Pat Cummins and mid off. बॉस ऐसे शॉट मारोगे भाई, आप तो बहुत खेलोगे. ये शॉट और कोई नहीं मार रहा है इस पूरे टीम में. And it's a tough role like we've discussed. Most times he's walked in barring Perth second innings. नीतीश रेड्डी जब भी क्रीज पे आए तो टॉप ने तो रहा था, फिर फैला दिया. एक समय पे लगता है कि टीम शायद 180 तक नहीं पहुंच पाएगी. 180 अगर पहुंची है 3 बार तो इस बंदे की बदौलत है. Again, he's got to that strange phase where 40, 41. Let's hope he gets to a 50. I think Tosbai will be the happiest that he gets to a 50. 3-4 बार तो बोल चुके हैं. I wish he got a 50. आज भाई hopefully वो 50 आ जाए because you need to take positives. धोनी के टाइम पे जब ये 4-0 हारे थे तो एक मैच में विराट कोहली ने 100 मारा. वी ऑल सेड बॉस यहाँ तो ना द्रविड़ चले, ना सहवाग चले, ना लक्ष्मण चले, ना कोई नहीं तेंदुलकर, पर एक बंदे ने तो लाज बचाई 100 मार के. We're a country obsessed with milestones. We need one guy to walk away. हाँ यार अपने लड़के ने कुछ किया. Jaiswal did it, but we've seen Jaiswal. He was an unknown commodity, and I'm so glad. I was doubting him whether he'll be able to do much, but he's been very, very, very good. Probably one of the first names on the team sheet now when you play overseas. India, they're going to struggle to fit him in regularly, but very, very good player. Yeah. I'm so happy for him.
Yeah, absolutely, and many, many, many fans out there, they are so happy for him. They are rooting for him. Taus, your take on Nitish Kumar Reddy and how impressive he has been with the bat in hand in this series?
I mean, I won't be tired talking about him. It's, I think, at the age of 22 that maturity comes in. He's a special player. I mean, you won't see him like a Rishabh Pant who's got those extraordinary shots. You won't see him like a naturally gifted Rohit Sharma, lazy elegance. You won't see a Virat Kohli thing. This guy is different. This guy's strength is maturity, the experience, the thing. Despite being 22, I mean, you hardly see people of 22 playing with head on shoulders. I mean, he can be flashy. He can try to impress people. वो चाहे तो यार रोहित शर्मा को अभी अभी तो एक कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि यार मैंने तो इतना 40s किया, अब मैं ट्राई करूंगा लंबा बड़े बड़े शॉट्स खेल के इम्प्रेस करूंगा ये वो. But he stuck to his ground. That is what brings him. That is what teaches you know a lot of senior players कि यार आपको क्रिकेट कैसे खेलना है. या इट्स अ डिफरेंट मैटर कि यार बॉल थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है, विकेट थोड़ी इजी हो जाती है जब ये बैटिंग करने आते हैं. बट स्टिल इट्स अ लेसन यार. प्लेइंग हिज फर्स्ट टेस्ट सीरीज, प्लेइंग विथ हेड ऑन शोल्डर्स. एक भी गलती गलती आप इनकी बैटिंग में आपको गलती नहीं दिखेगी. गलती नहीं दिखेगी। ऐसा नहीं कि टेस्ट क्लासिकल बैट्समैन है जहां पर कॉपी बुक ड्राइव कर रहे हैं या एक पुल कर रहे हैं, बट वो डिसिप्लिन के साथ खेल रहे हैं जो एग्जैक्टली चाहिए रहता है टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए। एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हाट हैज इम्प्रेस्ड मी अबाउट दिस गाय वेदर टेकिंग ऑन लियोन। आई मीन एक बड़ा सीरीज जहां पर मिचेल स्टार्क, पैट कमिंस और लायन जैसे प्लेयर्स हैं, वहां पर आके आप उनको बता रहे हो, he is not even like Sam Constas. I mean, 19-year-old, he was not getting his shots. That's why he played those shots in desperation out of Bumrah, and that is why he got lucky. ये बंदा तो आते ही स्ट्रेट बैट खेल रहा है। स्ट्रेट बैट खेलना मतलब दिखाना कि यार मैं बचपन से क्रिकेट को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देता हूँ और सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देता हूँ कि मेरे लिए टीम महत्व रखती है rather than my my instincts, rather than my God gifted blessings या जो भी मुझे मिला है। This banda has come out with those straight classical drives and he's not afraid of coming up with these kind of shots. It is not very often that like मैं desperate हूँ ऋषभ पंत की तरह मैं ऐसे ही मारूंगा, नहीं, मुझे बॉल मिलेगी तो मारूंगा। हाँ, कहीं गलती होती है, वो गलती होती है 40s में आके जहां पर आपको कोशिश करना है कि यार थोड़ा अपने लिए भी खेलें, थोड़ा माइलस्टोन्स भी करें। और वो माइलस्टोन्स का मुझे लगता है कि दैट इज समथिंग दैट सी माइलस्टोन इज नॉट टेस्ट क्रिकेट में माइलस्टोन्स इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए होता है क्योंकि स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग मेंटली। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट यार मेरा 100 हो गया, मेरा 50 हो गया, सामने वाले को भी अफेक्ट करता है यार ये 50 कर लिया बंदा, अब ये 100 के लिए जाएगा, तो दैट हेल्प्स द टीम। दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आल्सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कि नंबर्स start coming in. He could have got multiple 50s, yeah, several 50s here. Maybe hundreds could have converted, but then he'll learn. At the age of 22, this guy is showing maturity compared to a lot of legends out there. Uh, what to say? What to say? This guy's
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
future.